Let's make achar gosht. This is the first time that I will be actually making achar gosht masala from scratch. Otherwise, I usually use the Shan achar gosht masala. So let's begin. Now I've taken one bay leaf, a cinnamon stick, black peppers and green cardamoms, and this packet has fennel seeds, Nigella seeds, Fenugreek seeds, Cumin seeds and black mustard seeds. So I just grinded them all together. Then I've taken onion and tomato and make a paste out of it. I've taken 1 kg of boneless beef here. You can use whatever meat you like. Add the yogurt, ginger garlic paste and a tablespoon of all this grounded spice. Then coriander, cumin, paprika, salt. I made this mixture a day before and let it sit in the fridge for the whole night. Then pressure cook it in your instant pot or pressure cooker for 25 minutes until the meat was fully cooked. Then cook it in a large pot until the water is fully dry. To the remaining grounded spice mix, I added paprika, turmeric and coriander, and then I took some lemon juice and added a tablespoon of that masala into it. Take green chilies, make some cut into it, and then fill them up with the achar gosht masala. Once the water is dry in the meat, add some oil and roast it on high heat for about 10 minutes. Add some kasuri methi to it as well. Then drop the green chilies in. Cold smoke is totally optional. I just love the flavor of cold smoke and enjoy with naan.